So your chance of an IRS audit is pretty low, about 1 in 100.
But there are other ways the tax man can make his move. CBS MoneyWatch.com's editor-at-large Jill Schlesinger is here with more. That sounds a little scary.
Doesn't it? I got your attention now, didn't I?
Did.
Okay, the IRS conducts just 1.4 million real audits each year. But here's the thing. More than 9.2 million additional taxpayers are targeted by what they call, get this, unreal audits. It feels real enough, don't worry. Here's what happens. The IRS sends official and pretty scary notices, and they're usually demanding more money. 3.9 million taxpayers received an IRS letter saying they failed to report income and are being assessed tax and penalties on that unreported amount. And then another 4.7 million are, yes, math error notices. So check your math. And those math error notices often require an additional tax, and sometimes penalties are levied.
So what should people do if they get these letters?
Don't ignore it. I mean, there's nothing that the IRS hates more than your non-response. So respond quickly. Now, the other thing is the IRS usually has specific questions, and they're going to request forms and receipts. You can always ask for an extension to gather your paperwork, but again, get back to them quickly. If you can't find the information they're looking for, you're going to have to hire a professional to advise you. Now, the professional can be a CPA, can be also an attorney. But the most important thing you can do is to avoid an audit at all costs. On MoneyWatch.com, we have 12 IRS audit flags for 2012.
So what happened to the kinder, gentler IRS?
Yeah, that went away. You know what? They don't have any money. And this is actually an interesting thing because they are really underfunded. What they'll do is they try to send a lot more of these other unreal letters out, gather some money. But look, this is very easy to combat. You just got to have a lot of information. So arm yourself with the power of the information and the documentation to back everything up.
The time of the year to cringe.
Oh, I know. Isn't it terrible?
Jill, thanks so much.